Hey crypto traders! Are you new to trading and feeling overwhelmed? I used to struggle too, until I discovered that success in crypto is 80% psychology. Today I'm sharing 3 powerful mindset tips to help beginners like you trade smarter in 2025. Let's dive in. First, start journaling every trade you make. I use TradeZella to log my crypto trades, but a notebook works just as well. Write down your entry, exit, why you made the trade, and how it went. When I started doing this, I realized I was making the same mistakes, like selling too early. For example, journaling helps you spot patterns, understand your decision making, and grow as a trader. It's like having a roadmap to better trades. Next, always think long term. Crypto markets can be a roller coaster. Price swings widely day to day, but best traders focus on their bigger goals. For example, if your goal is to double your portfolio in a year, don't get distracted by a 10% daily spike. I used to obsess over short-term price moves, but now I zoom out and ask, does this trade align with my yearly plan? That shift in mindset keeps me grounded and focused. Finally, create a trading plan and follow it religiously. Before every trade, set your entry point, exit point, and stop loss. For instance, if I'm trading Cardano, I might buy at $150, aim to sell at $2, and set a stop loss at $130. No matter what market does, I stick to that plan. This builds discipline and keeps your emotions in check. A solid plan is your foundation for consistent wins in crypto. Trading crypto starts with mastering your mind. Use these 3 psychology tips to build a winning mindset and crush it in 2025. Which tip would you like to try first? Drop a comment below. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more crypto trading tips. See you in the next video.